Hello friends, it's Miss Tipton. Welcome back from spring break. I hope that you had a fantastic time off of school and that you are ready for some more learning. We are starting off today lesson 24. Okay, this begins on page 465. It looks just like this. This is the letter to families, and this is telling us what this lesson will be all about. So this week, we will be learning to solve addition and subtraction word problems, okay? Word problems is when we have a story and we are trying to find out the answer. Okay, go ahead and flip the page. Over here, you will see an activity that you can do at home if you would like to, but we are going to start on this page, page 467. Okay, it looks like this, 467. You will need something to write with, of course. You will also need connecting cubes or counters, something that will help you while we are doing our addition and subtraction today. Okay, so go ahead and grab those materials and come back and push play when you're ready to go. All right, on this page, we're going to begin with 9 cubes or counters, whatever you have. So go ahead and count out 9 in this big box up here. I'm going to count out 9 purple cubes for mine. Oops. All right, give me a thumbs up when you have 9 all counted out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Check yours and make sure that you have 9. Okay, if you need more time, you can pause the video. All right, we have 9 cubes. Now we are going to split these cubes into 2 different groups. So let's do 4 over here. Can you make your group of 4 over here like this? Okay. How many do you have over here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So friends, we just made an addition equation because we know that 4, let's write 4, plus 5 equals how many together? How many did we have to begin with? 9, right? We know that 4 and 5 more equals 9. Let's find another way to make 9. Okay, let's put them back together. We have 9. We know our answer over here is going to be 9. Okay, let's split these into a different group. So let's do 2 over here this time. Okay, we have 2, so let's write 2. What's the missing number? How many are in this group right here? Can you count them? I counted 7. Did you count 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 2 plus 7 is another way to make 9. Okay. Go ahead and flip the page. We are now on page 468. It looks like this. What do you see on this page? I see a 10 frame. Do you see a 10 frame? Yeah? Okay. On this page, you will need your connecting cubes or counters. You can use either one. I'm going to keep using my connecting cubes, okay? We're going to count out 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? We are starting with 8 cubes or 8 counters, whatever you are using. So we know that this number right here is going to be 8 because that's what we're starting with, okay? And look closely, we are doing subtraction now, okay? So we switched from addition on the last page to subtraction on this page. So we're starting with 8, okay? So double check, make sure that you have 8. Okay, now go ahead and remove, that means take away, remove 2 of them. Take 2 of them away. Okay, so since we took it away, subtracting, taking away 2, we want to put a 2 in this blank. 8 take away 2 equals how many are left in our 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 8 minus 2 equals 6. I really like how our 10 frame helps us keep our numbers organized. Okay, let's put these back. So we're going to start with 8 again. Okay, so this problem is also going to start with 8, but this time I would like for you to take away 4. Okay, so what's going to go right here? 8 take away 4. You can fill in the blank with your 4. And then remove 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 take away 4. 8 minus 4 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are left. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Okay, nice job. All right, you can remove your counters or your cubes, and we are going to move on to the next page. All right, on this page, we are looking at these 2 words right here. Do you know what this says? Can you read this? In all. In all. Can you say that? In all. That's a phrase that we use a lot in math, right? So if we have a word problem, then at the end we say, so how many are there in all, right? So we're going to draw 4 different ways to show what in all means. Okay, I'm going to use crayons for this. You can use crayons also if you would like, or you can use something else. It's up to you. But I think crayons will make my pictures more fun. So we're going to pretend that there were 3 donuts. Okay, I'm going to draw my 3 donuts over here. There were 3 purple donuts, and there were 3 green donuts. So if we want to know how many donuts are in all, that means all together. That would mean all of these, right? And how many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be 6 in all, right? That's a way that we can show in all. Let's show another example over here. We could write a number sentence. Let's write our number sentence for this picture. What if we said 3, and now are we adding or are we subtracting in this picture? We're adding, right? We were putting these together. 3 plus 3 more equals how many? 6, right? 3 plus 3 equals 6. So which one of these numbers shows how many there are in all? This one, right? There are 6 of them in all. That's our big number at the end, right? 6 in all, okay? Let's do another example down here. Okay. We are going to pretend that there were 5 friends playing at the park. Okay, I'm going to show these friends as circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 friends playing at the park. Then 3 more friends joined. Okay, can you draw this picture? 5 friends and 3 more friends joined. So how many friends in all? Remember, in all is all of these together. So how many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in all. Does that make sense? 8 is the number all together. Okay, let's write our number sentence for this word problem. We started with 5 friends. So go ahead and write your number 5. We're adding, and how many more friends joined down here? 3. So 5 plus 3 equals how many in all? 8 in all, right? Right here, 5 plus 3 more equals 8 in all. So circle this 8 because that's the number that shows in all. Okay? Show me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if that in all makes sense to you. Okay? If you are still confused about the words in all, make sure to ask your teacher. Okay? Make sure to ask your teacher for some help with that. All right, flip your page one more time. This is our last page for today. Okay, and you are going to get to do some of this one on your own. All right? I would like for you to count out 7 counters or connecting cubes in your 10 frame. 7 of them. Okay, I'm going to do it too. Okay, it should look just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you're starting with a 7 right here. You can go ahead and fill in a 7 on that line. And now, do you notice, are we adding or are we taking away? We're taking away, right? Because we see that minus sign. Okay. I would like for you to take away 2 objects. Take away 2 of your counters or 2 of your cubes. Take away 2 of them. Okay, so remember, we're going to put our 2 right here. I want you to figure out the answer, how many are left. Okay, you can pause the video if you need to, figure out how many are left and write it in the blank. Okay, now that you finished this one, we're going to do another one over here. So put all 7 of them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're starting with 7 again. Okay, this time I would like for you to take away 3. Take away 3. So you're going to put your 3 right here. Take away 3. Find out how many are left. I want you to do that one all by yourself. Okay? Once you're finished with this page, you are all done with your math for today. Nice job, friends. I'll see you later.